We're live here, at least I think so. That's the reason I'm not here today. So just letting you know. What we're going to do in the commercial class on Tuesday and Wednesday, these next two courses, is that I'm going to give you the opportunity to review the weather. Remember, it's just going to be the weather piece. You know, in essence, it's weather theory, and that's clouds, fogs, fronts, all that stuff. And then ultimately get into the actual weather services that are out there, both the observations as well as the forecasts, all of those things. So what I want you to do is I want you to review, you know, weather and weather services here in big blue. Remember, I also want you to do the weather services here in big red, and look for any discrepancies, anything else, not discrepancies necessarily, but any additional information. In particular, pay attention to the icing information here in big red, because it's more than the icing stuff that they have in big blue. So remember that. The other thing is that I want you to start working on this 5-day rolling forecast in your head. Not just what you're expecting to see here for today, but over the next 5 days. Now, where you get that information, that's up to you. However, I'm going to recommend that you get that information from ForeFlight. Because in ForeFlight, if you go to the imagery section, this is the maps here, and then this is the imagery. You can take a look here at the imagery, and you can take a look at your latest surface analysis charts that you have here. You can take a look here at, you know, all of your upcoming prognostications, you know, with everything here. And what we're going to start doing is that we're going to start looking at this, and we're going to start doing some actual weather planning for hypothetical flights. Goodness. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So here in the thing here, guys, for Tuesday, Wednesday, that's what we're going to do, is the review, weather theory, weather services, and those things, and then the quiz on all of that. It's going to be in Prepware on Friday. I'll take a look and find out if there's anything else weather-wise that's going to come from the instrument license versus the private pilot license. We'll figure that out. Chances are it may need to be 2 different quizzes coming up on Friday, but I'll, you know, Lord willing, I'll be back by then. So anyway, just letting you know about that. Thank you for your patience here with this. Mrs. Benton, thank you very much for pinch hitting here for me here in the class. And so we're just going to go ahead and let this be review sessions during the class on Tuesday, Wednesday. Make sure that you're reviewing this stuff here. I realize that, you know, kids are busy doing other things, but let's keep it to this course. So there you go. Again, I apologize for all of this, and I will see you when I'm well enough to be back here with decent people. Okay? See you guys later.